And this is the legendary Commodore 1541 floppy drive, disk drive, many names. This one has special ROM in it that I need to remove before I can let go of the top of the case. It's a very clean motherboard in a very nice condition. Overall nice condition on this machine. As you can see on the back here, there are some wires. I don't know if they came from the factory. Sometimes they fix problems that they have in the schematics, and it's more easy to fix it with wires than to just start to press new PCB boards. This is the so-called long board, the early version of the machine. The only problem with it was it didn't work, so I just tried to swap some chips out, and I swapped out the CPU, the 6502, and I replaced it with a Russian or Soviet Union produced pirate version. I bought a lot of those back in the 90s, and I still have a couple left, so I just replaced it with one of those, and they're supposed to be 100% compatible, and it seems to work just fine. So before I put this back together, I'm going to try to clean the read and write head. This is a transformer. It produced AC. And this is the read write head that we need to clean. You see this white square. It looks clean, but anyway. So we're connected to the C64 and we're listing the contents of the disk, and you can see it's working perfectly. So we are on our way here. I'm gonna run some disk tests to check if the read write head is in the correct position. The first one is a simple rotation test to see if it's more or less in the valid range, and this is okay. This is not so accurate anyway. The head alignment test is pretty extensive actually. It goes through different data here.